So this Euro Yen analysis for Wednesday, 27th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had this very strong move to the upside on the Euro Yen. We didn't quite come down towards that 32.02, came pretty close, but as you can see, we've got quite a lot of buy side momentum coming to the market. We've broke out above this upper end of this trading channel that we have been operating with in for a couple of months on the Euro Yen. Upper end of the trading range being around at 134, lower end of the trading range being around 131.70. We've had a move up and we've traded beyond this 134.50, which was the next level that we were looking at, this weekly level. Well, it wasn't a weekly level, but this level marked out here at 34.50. What we have seen is a move upwards, a test, a move upwards again. We didn't see the continuation, another test. We've had a breakdown below this sort of frequency of tests. I often mention this in videos. The more often a level is tested over a short period of time, the more likely it is the level will break in the direction from which it is being tested. In this occasion, it was tested from above. We have seen a breakdown of the level. Now, we've seen the breakdown towards that 134. We trade slightly below it, but that was the next level we would be targeting if we did break down from that 134. So we've come down to just 130 from 134.50. So we came down towards 134. We have seen buy side momentum, and interestingly enough, we have seen this previous support for these bounces act as resistance. So this 134.50, as we can see here, has acted as resistance, but we are in a period of low volatility, so we are in a bit of a trading range at present on the euro, well, on all currency pairs really. So we're in a period of low volatility, possibly traders being away and the rest of it. So we are in a bit of a trading range developing here in around the 134, 134.50. So if we have our highs up here, most recent highs, slightly all the way up to 134.80. We've got lower highs down here coming into that support, which was this support, which is now acting as resistance around 34.50, would suggest we're possibly poised for more downside momentum for a possible retest of 134. If we do break down from this 134, which is a very strong level, and it is the importance of the level marks out here in red. If we did break down from this 134, the very next level we would be targeting is around that's 133.45. In around 133.45, we also have the 200 and 400 period moving average act as a confluence, so we'd likely see a reaction in that we may see a possible, we might head into a trading range or a possible bounce, a move up all the way back up towards that 134. If, however, we do see a breakdown, again, we'll be looking to target to 132.83, but as we are in a period of low volatility, I would expect 133.45 to be lower end of the trading range. If, however, we do see some buy-side momentum re-enter the market before we head down towards this 134, or if we head down towards 134 and do see buy-side momentum come into the market, we'll see our price react towards 134.50, also most recent highs in around the 134.80, and beyond that. The very next level we've got marked out on the charts, the major level is marked out at 135.60. I can't anticipate price heading up towards 135.60 unless there is a strong fundamental catalyst, and as we are operating in a low volatility period, so possibly far end of the range being in around this 135, but we've already identified 135.60 as an area of interest. Now let's just have a look at the daily chart before we wrap up here. So if we head over to the daily chart, we get the scale on here correct. We can see here, this is the trading range I was mentioning in around this 134, upper end of the trading range 131.70, lower end of the trading range. Interestingly enough, most recently, we didn't come all the way down to the lower end of the trading range. We came down towards that 132.02. Saw some buy side momentum, had a very strong daily candle here, breaking above that 134. Now we have had these bearish candles, but as you can see, by due to their size, the wicks as well suggest they are more indicative of a retracement rather than a reversal. Small candles, small bodies, suggesting that there is not a lot of sell side momentum currently in the market, so possibly retracement is most likely the outcome before we see continuation all the way up to 135.60. Now, overall, what we can see here is a very strong move to the upside, consolidation. So we do look poised for possibly more upside momentum. It's been pretty much the price pattern here on the Euro Yen. So move up to the upside, consolidation, move up, consolidation, move up, very long period of consolidation, so possibly a move upwards as well. It's a very stair-step a pattern. Yes, it's pretty much like a step. Yes, it's a stair-step pattern. I think that's the proper name for it. But let's just have a look at the weekly chart and the monthly chart before wrapping up here on the Euro Yen. So we head over to the weekly chart. As we can see on this weekly chart, we can see the degree of bullishness in the market. As we can see here, we've got a series of higher lows. So we've got a low, higher low again. And as you can see, we've got our highs there. We've had a deep retracement, and we've bull flag continuation. We're in this trading range for quite some time, as indicated. These are weekly candles. We've been operating within this trading range after a series of upwards moves, and we do look poised, as we are at the top of the trading range. We do look poised for further upside momentum, possibly heading towards our 140 at some point in 2018 if we do see this strong bullish continuation. On this weekly chart, there aren't any moving averages which are of any importance, so we'll head over to the monthly chart. Over here on this monthly chart, as we can see here, we've got a very strong move. So we've had our lows down here, we've had a higher low, we've had a small low retracement there, and as we can see, over the past couple of months, we've had a series of bullish closes. The majority of the closes have been bullish, with the one exception of this month, just it wasn't the month of November, it was the month of October, I'm pretty sure. Just gonna have a quick look. Yes, the month of October. We did have a bearish close to the month of October, but ever since earlier in the year, since April, we've had a series of bullish months. Pullbacks are expected here and there, but we've had a very strong trend to the upside, and we do look poised for more upside continuation. And with that said, that's wrap up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.